Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to get the sketch skin in Piggy. We'll cover a straightforward method that makes unlocking this unique character simple and quick. You won't need to complete any lengthy quests or overcome tough obstacles. Just follow these easy steps, and you'll have the sketch skin in your collection in no time. Let's dive right into the process. The easiest way to get the original sketch skin is by using a special code. First, open the game and navigate to the shop or the dedicated codes section. Once there, carefully type in the code, Old Sketch. Make sure to enter it exactly as shown with correct capitalization. After confirming, the game should process the code, and you'll instantly receive the original sketch skin in your inventory. It's that simple. While the old sketch code is great for the original sketch, it's worth noting that other versions of sketch skins exist across different Piggy experiences. For example, the sketchy remade skin in Shark's Piggy requires finding 3 numerical codes scattered across the Metro map. After collecting these, you must intentionally die to the sketchy bot to unlock it. Always check the specific game or mode you are playing for the exact unlock conditions. Now that you've successfully acquired a sketch skin, it's time to enjoy it. Head over to your inventory or character selection screen and equip your new character. You can now play as Sketch in your favorite Piggy game modes, showcasing this cool and distinctive skin. Have fun exploring the maps and interacting with other players using your awesome new look. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your sketch skin.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.